Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will be creating a Instagram login page with only help of Tailwind CSS and some HTML. Yes, we are not gonna use CSS, the vanilla CSS. We have only used Tailwind CSS in this video, and let me show you. We will be creating this login page of Instagram with only Tailwind and some HTML. Okay, so it is a photo, so we will be creating exactly look-alike of this. So before starting the video, let me show you. I have created some files. As you can see, it is insta.html. Here we have to write all of our HTML and Tailwind CSS, and I will also show you how to import Tailwind CSS in your HTML, so we will do that also. And I have taken this image, the Instagram, okay, the Instagram logo, not logo but this one, the writing, and also the Facebook logo, because as you can see in this image we will need the Instagram, okay, right here, the writing, and also a small Facebook logo. So for that reason I have taken these two images. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, apply the border plate. Okay, and as you can see, as I will type anything, you can see what I am typing in the below. Okay, so in this way you can also see what I am typing in my keyboard. So let's import Tailwind in the HTML first. So first of all, I have come to the Tailwind website, okay, the website for Tailwind, and in the Tailwind CLI section you have to copy this. Okay, just copy this and paste it in your terminal. Okay, let's open the terminal and paste it. Oops, yes, and paste it here, and it will install the Tailwind CSS. And next you have to copy this also. Let's copy this and let it complete. Okay, so it is completed, and let's paste this and also write -p at the end and hit enter. Okay, hit enter, and now um, as you can see, there are four different packages we have installed. First is package log json, package json, post css, and Tailwind. So come to this Tailwind config, and in the content write semicolon and star. This is for you have to apply the Tailwind for all the divs, all the tags. Okay, and then come to the package.json, and inside it write scripts, and under scripts write start, and then white. Okay, white, and for white we have not installed it, so just write npm install white in the terminal, and it will install the white for you. Okay, so we are pretty much done, and the only step left is, so come to the Tailwind website and click on this play cdn and copy this script. Okay, copy the script, and we have to paste it in our HTML. Okay, below or above title, wherever you want. And as you can see, we have now completed the Tailwind part. um, Now we have installed the Tailwind in our HTML, and let's test whether it is working or not. So I have created a div, a random div, and I am just going to yes, as you can see, it is recommending me all of the Tailwind classes like m10, m1, and this is margin. Okay, so for this is margin. Okay, so our Tailwind is working now. So let's start with our main topic of this video, recreating the Instagram logo. So we don't need this. Okay, we don't need this. um, okay, so first of all, let's go live. Okay, let's go live and put this photo right here. uh, okay, right below this, so that we can see all the three pages at once. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what we need, as you can see, there is a big box. So actually there are two boxes, first and then this box in which it is written don't have an account and then get the app. So first, we will need a div. Okay, uh, the container div. So this will be the container div, and inside this, um, we actually need three divs. Okay, three divs, first for the first box, then second box, and then the get app. So in the get app, I will write get the app. You know what, I think I should close the scripting because it is fetching a lot of space. So let's just turn it off. So if I am now writing something, you will not see. Okay, so I have written get the app so far. Let's save it. As you can see, it is right there, nothing strange. And then in our first div, we need first of all and an image tag in which I will post this image. Okay, the Instagram logo image. So let's paste it here. Okay, this one, and let's see. So as you can see in the left, we have got the Instagram logo, and then we need an input tag. Okay, we need sorry, we need an input tag, and we need two. Okay, we need two of them. And placeholder in the placeholder we will write phone number, and username or email. Okay, so we are just copy pasting things, we are just writing HTML. We have not started Tailwind yet. Okay, just HTML. So let me just type the HTML first. Okay, so phone number and password done, and after that we need a button. Okay, button, and inside this it says log in. Okay, login, and below it we have a HR. Okay, a line. So let's give a line, and then inside P, let's say OR. Okay, or, and then give another line. Okay, and then we need a div inside which these two things will come: a Facebook logo and this login with Facebook. Okay, so inside this we need this and a Facebook logo. So here it is, this one. Okay, this logo. So let's do that. Okay, so now Facebook logo is there, and then inside a p tag we will write login with login with Facebook. Okay, and after that div we will write another p element. um let's not write p element, write div. Okay, div. um, okay, so we have done a little mistake. um, so first of all, write forgot password here and a question mark. Okay. um, so let's get the screen. So first of all, uh, container div, this one, and then in the first div we have to write all of this. Okay. Login, inside login or Facebook. Okay. So this one also, yes. So this all, I think it will go, yeah, that way. So I think now it is fine. Okay. Yes, I think now it is fine. Let me just recheck the Instagram, the two inputs, and Instagram, the two inputs, then login, then HR, OR, then again HR, then inside it of Facebook login and forgot password. Okay, yes. So yes, this is fine. And now the first div is complete, and now let's get to the second div in which this is there. Okay. This do not have an account and sign up. So let's write. Okay. Don't don't have an account and sign up. Actually I will write sign up in a what, um in a span, so that we so that I can change the color of this later with the help of Tailwind. So sign up. Let's save that. Okay, so as you can see in the left side, we have got all of the informations that we need. Okay, here is the input tags, two input tags, and let's give this a password. Okay, so yes, as you can see now it will have this. Okay, yes, now it is fine. Okay, so first of all, so let's start with the Tailwind. First of all, reduce the width of the image of the Facebook. Okay, so width 1, let's say width 1, and no, it is not fine. Okay, so let's say what, 4% maybe. I think yes, 3% will be fine. Yes, it looks fine, 3%. Okay, so first of all, let's target the main container, and inside it, let's say justify center. Okay, so nothing happened. Okay, so I think we need to write also flex. No. So let's just copy this and paste it in the body. Okay, and remove this, and let's see. Alright, so what I am trying to do, to get these elements in the center. Okay, so justify center is not working. Let's say, so first of all remove this from the body, and let's say text. Okay, let's say text center. I think this will work. Yes, as you can see, it is working now. And then okay, yes, text center. Let's see. Okay, nothing happened. Let's say block. Let's say block, inline block. Okay, let's use inline block. And okay, um, so here it is a login button, then HR, or, and then these. All right, so let's give it a border. Okay, border this, and border black maybe. um, yes, black, let's say. Okay, so as you can see, we have given the border. Okay, and now we have to okay, so now we have to make these input tags in one row. Okay, so for that, what I will do, let's just wait a minute. Okay, so let's say if we copy this, and then inside div I paste this, and inside this I paste this. Yes, as you can see, now it works fine. I have put this input tag inside a div, so now it is working fine. Okay, so for the input tag, let's define a class for Tailwind and give the border to, and border, and let's change the color. Okay, let's change the color. What color was the image in the image? It is a grayish type. Okay, it is a grayish type, so let's go with this. Yes, I think a little less. No, 300 maybe. Yes, this is fine. And let's copy this and paste it in the border of the first div. Okay, this one. Yes, now it is looking fine. And now we have to give border radius. So in Tailwind, you write the round SM. Okay, and as you can see, yes, as you can see, the border is there, but let me check. A very little border is there. Okay, so let's go with medium. No, I think small will be fine. Yes, okay. Alright, so let's just copy this and paste it in the password, okay. And now let's give some margin from top and bottom. Let's, yep, I think this is fine. And from this also, let's see in the image. Okay. So I think bottom will be fine. Yes. And then we need to center the Instagram logo. So for that, define the class, then relative, and then um, from left, let's say what percent? Let's say 10%, maybe a little more. Yes, this is absolutely fine. And let's give some padding in the password and phone number, okay. Let padding, let's say 1. Yes, it is fine. Okay, yep, this is fine. And I think, yeah, the width of the this is also we have to increase, okay. So first of all, let's reduce the width of the container, okay, not the container, the first div. So let's say 50%. No, this is um, a little bit more. Yep, I think this is fine. And let's reduce this. Yep, now it is looking great. And also we have to increase width of the this one. Yes, 60. How wide it is? Let's see, a little more. Okay. Let's do 70. Yes. So let's copy this and paste it here. All right. So let's now design the login button. So light blue and radius. Okay. So let's do that. BG, we need a very light blue. So let's, okay. Yes, I think this will work. Let's say 200. Yes, this is fine. And we also need width, okay. Let's say 30%. How long it is? It is the same of the length as this, so we need 70. Now we need some padding also. Yes, some padding, P1. Yes, looks fine. And also rounded small. Yes, so as you can see, and also margin button, let's say 1. Let's say 2. What is in the image? Okay, so not 2, little bit more, 4. Yes, I think this is fine. Okay. And for the or, it is fine, I think. Okay, it is fine. Let's just make the text color a little gray because it is gray. So let's do this. Yes, it is fine now. And now what we need to place the Facebook with login in Facebook. Okay, So let's do that, and for that let's make this flex. Okay, so as you can see, our yes, I think this looks fine. Okay, and some margin in X, maybe 2, yes, and then relative, and then margin from left, let's say 4. Let's write our own in percentage, let's say 20%, no, 40%, no, it is too much. I think this is fine, and I don't know why the Facebook logo, it's just squeezing in, I don't know why. Let's do 7. I think this is fine, and let's say margin this. Okay, so I think this is looking fine for now, and in this we need to color the text blue. Okay, so wait, what type of blue it is? A dark blue, yes, a dark blue. Let's do dark blue. No, yes, here it is. Okay, so I think this will work. Yes, and we some need some bold. Okay, um, text, wait, I think it was font bold. Okay, yes, font bold. So as you can see, it is now bold as in this one. And what is left? The forgot password. Okay, so let's just give a margin in y direction, this, um, yes, not is fine, and we also need text color to be blue. So let's copy paste this here. Yes, it is now looking great. Okay, so now we need to, so our first div is completed. So as you can see, oh wait, um, let's just make the margin from top a little bit. Okay, so it will, yes, let's just do 10. Okay, yes, now it looks fine, and I think we need a little more margins. So let's just say in the this one, margin y, let's say 5. Yes, this looks great. And for the or, let's say 3. Yes, this also looks great. And login in Facebook also, we need a margin of 3. Oops. Okay, so now we need to reduce this a little bit. Now we have to okay, I don't know why it is happening. um uh, uh, oh, okay, yes, now I get it why it is happening. Let's just do this. Okay, so this one, right? This one. So let's just change it to 5. Yes, I think this is great. And also forget password, let's say 4. Yes, I think this is looking fine. And now for the div one, let's say copy paste this one. Okay, this one, and paste it here, as you can see. And then width will be 70%. Yes. No. Okay. Text center. Okay. So don't worry, we will manage this. So first of all, relative, then from left, let's just say in percentage 30%. It is a lot. 20%. Yes, it is absolutely fine. And just remove these. Let's say 60. Yes. And let's just add some margin from y-axis also. Let's say my5. Yes, and then padding, let's say 3. Yes, a little bit more padding. Yes. And now in the span one, let's define the class, font bold, then text color, this one I will copy from this, and this sign up. Okay, and now we also need cursor to be pointer. Okay, cursor pointer, this one, and we will paste this one in the forgot password also, and login also. Okay, login, forgot password. I'm logging with this Facebook, and this also, and yes, now it is fine. Okay, yep, now it is looking great. And now at last, get the app. Oh well, we don't have to do that because it is just fine. I will add a full stop. Okay, okay, so let's see side by side. I think we are done. So as you can see here, we have managed to pull it off, and as you can see, you can't tell the difference between this real one and this fake one that I have made. Okay, and okay, so one thing I have just noticed, let's reduce the, this squeezing effect in the logo, and we also need to make this login white text. So first of all, let's do the image first. Okay, so I think, yep, this is fine. Let's say 7. Yep, this is fine, I think. And I think it is a lot of bigger. Okay, it is a lot bigger. So let's decrease this to 4%. And why it is squeezing though? Let's what is this? Okay, Okay. I said margin from left, so um, we will not do that. Okay, not margin from left, but from only left. Okay, yeah, this will work. Let's say 30%. Yes, a little less than 30%. Yes, this is absolutely fine. Mm, yep, I think this is looking great. And now for the login. So login, let's just make the text white. Okay, and font bold. Yes, now we are done. So as you can see, we have managed to replicate the Instagram login page, and as you can see, this is the power of Tailwind CSS. You can easily copy anything and without even touching CSS, but you have to know some concepts of CSS. Okay, few concepts of CSS also you have to know, and then only you can apply on Tailwind CSS. So this is the video, guys. Hope you like it, hope you learn something new, and yes, that is for this video. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Link are given in the description down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.